Did you know that more than 60% of car breakdowns actually start with tiny problems that drivers ignore? And one of the biggest culprits is something you probably never think twice about: your gas cap. Yep, that little plastic cap can cause a check engine light, lower your fuel economy, and even lead to costly repairs. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around because today I'll show you how a simple gas cap check can save you hundreds of dollars, improve performance, and even help your car pass emissions tests. Let's jump in. Most drivers just twist the cap, fuel up, and forget about it, but your gas cap does more than keep dirt out. It seals your car's evap system. This system maintains the right pressure and keeps fuel vapors from escaping. If the cap is loose, cracked, or missing, those vapors leak out. Your car's computer then detects the pressure loss, throws a check engine light, and changes the air-fuel ratio. The result? Poor fuel economy, reduced power, and possibly a failed emissions test. Here are 4 simple ways to check. 1. The click test. Tighten your cap. If it doesn't click or feels loose, the seal might be worn out. 2. The gasket inspection. Look at the rubber ring. If it's cracked, dry, or has chunks missing, it won't seal properly. 3. The smell test. If you smell gasoline even when your car is parked, vapors could be leaking past a bad seal. 4. OBD2. Scanner test. Plug in a scanner under your dash. Trouble codes like P0457, P0456, P0442, or P0455 often point to a faulty fuel cap. If you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. First, make sure your gas cap is tightly secured. If it's damaged, just replace it. According to carcare.org, nearly 1 in 5 vehicles on the road today needs a new gas cap. That's a huge number, and it adds up to nearly 150 million gallons of wasted fuel every year. The good news? A new cap usually costs only $10.20 and is one of the easiest DIY fixes you can do. But here's a trick most drivers don't know. If your cap looks fine but isn't sealing perfectly, take a little WD-40 on a paper towel and wipe it around the rubber gasket. This softens and restores the rubber so it seals like new. You can also spray a bit on the threads and filler neck to clean grime and prevent sticking. This hack can squeeze extra life out of your gas cap before you need a replacement. So next time you fuel up, don't just pump and go. Take a few seconds to check your gas cap. It's one of the cheapest and easiest ways to keep your engine running smoothly and your wallet happy. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Got a question or your own trick to share? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.